Hello students, we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor, and today we discuss add instruction. First instruction we discuss add R. Whenever add R instruction is executed, then what happen? Whenever this instruction is executed, then content of given register in instruction, that means any general purpose register you have mentioned with instruction, that content is added with content of accumulator or a register, and sum, that is result, is stored into a register or accumulator. Addressing mode for this instruction is register. Why it is register? Because you mention one operand as general purpose register, and you cannot be mention here any 8-bit data or 16-bit data, so that its addressing mode is register. Then length for this instruction is 1 byte. Why it is 1 byte? Because only source and destination location register is present, so that its length is 1 byte. Then group of this instruction is arithmetical. Then flag for this instruction, all flags are affected. That means whenever this type of instruction execute, the flags are affected. Then example such like this, add B instruction. Whenever suppose there is A is equal to 34H data and D is equal to 96H data, then add B instruction is executed. Then after execution we have content in A register, that is CA. We see practically here. Firstly, what is content in A? MVI A have 34H data, then D, B, MVI B have data B have data 96H. Then add B instruction is executed. See here, I execute this instruction. In accumulator we have seen that A is equal to CAH, and flags are affected here. In red color we have seen that S is equal to 1, that is affected as set. Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry is 0, then parity is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 1. That means this instruction whenever add, then carry cannot be take here. Then next instruction is add M instruction. Whenever this type of instruction is execute, then what happen? The content of M register, that is memory register, which is addressed by HL, that means HL content, that is memory content, is added with content of accumulator or A register. Then result, that is sum, is stored in A register. For this instruction, addressing mode is register indirect. Why it is register indirect? Because register M is mentioned as an one operand and which is indirectly addressed by HL, so that it addressing mode is register indirect. Length for this instruction is 1 byte and group for this instruction is arithmetical and all flags are affected. See here one example, add M. Here in example, register 8E and HL is initialized as like this. See practically, firstly I clear this all things. What I have given MVI A 8E, then HL is initialized by and in HL address what is data, DE data is taken. Then add instruction, add yum instruction I will be take here. See here in example, A have 8EH, yum have DEH. Then whenever this is added, then after addition accumulator is equal to 6CH and carry is affected by 1. See practically here I will be take all these thing here. See here MVI A is equal to 8EH, that is A have contain 8EH data and yum is have contain DEH data. Then execute this. See here A is equal to 6CH and flags are affected here as like this: sign is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry is equal to 1, parity is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 1. Then next instruction we discuss ADI instruction. That means this instruction add 8-bit image data and accumulator content. That means whenever this type of instruction is executed, then 8-bit image data given in instruction, that means 8-bit image data is used as one operand is from 00H to FFH data. That data is added with content of accumulator and some, that is result, is stored in A register. Addressing for this instruction, addressing mode for this instruction is immediate. Length for this instruction is 2 byte. Group is arithmetical and flag, all flags are affected. We see example as like this. ADI 27H here I will be mentioned, but in example I like give like this: A F4H and data ADH is given. Then practically I execute here. A is equal to F4H I will be take here. Then I execute instruction ADI 8DH. What happened? See here A is equal to have data content F4H and we image data ADH is provided for this instruction. Then addition of F4H and ADH. See here 81 and here we have in example 81 and carry is produced. Then how flags are affected? See here S is equal to 1, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry is equal to 1, parity is equal to 1, carry is equal to 1. Then we will be stop here. In next video we discuss how addition with carry, these all things we study here. Add R, add M and ADI data, these are added without carry. Then stop here. Thank you.